Jessie. Today I arrive at Huanglong scenic area in Sichuan province. I take the cable car to the mountain top. Once we reach the top, we are high downhill to enjoy the stunning view of Huanglong. Over there is Xiebaoding Mountains, standing at 5,588 meters above sea level. My camera simply can't capture its grandeur. Since it's summer and we are at high altitude, the UV rays are really strong. Now we are at 3,500 meters, and quite a few people are experiencing altitude sickness. Oh, the five-color ponds are here. So many people are watching this beautiful scenery. From above, they look like a giant palette of colors and are the most stunning part of the area. They also look like a giant colorful staircase. It's the most famous and amazing sight in Huanglong. The five-color ponds look like terraces because of a natural dam building process. Water rich in calcium flows down the mountain. When the water condition change, the calcium comes out the water and hardens into rock called travertine. This travertine builds up around small obstacles like stones or trees. Over many years, it forms natural walls called limestone dam. These walls, just like the edge of rice terraces, hold the water to create the beautiful multiple-level pools. There are hundreds of small pools in different colors like blue, green, and yellow. This magic happens because of milestone, minerals, and tiny plants in the water. It's so relaxing to sit by the pool, enjoy some delicious food, and take in beautiful view. How could anyone resist taking photos of such stunning scenery? Look, people is enthusiastically finding the perfect angles for their pictures. After a long walk and climbing, I am feeling a bit breathless and dizzy. A mild case of altitude sickness. I need to get some oxygen from my canister, which is a real life saver. The Huanglong Ancient Temple, original built during the Ming Dynasty. Its most distinctive feature is the plaque above the main gates, which reveals different inscriptions when viewed from various angles. We pass many alpine meadows along the way, and as we continue forward, we see another temple. I am feeling the altitude sickness again. Time to rest and use my oxygen. It's great that there are so many Chinese-style pavilions along the way for tourists to take a break. Such thoughtful service. The scenic area not only provides pavilions, but also feature dedicated walking boardwalks for visitors. This ensures both convenience and comfort, while also protecting the fragile ecosystem from damage. As we walk down along the tour routes, there are many more breathtaking views to behold. Let's enjoy them together in quiet appreciation. Wow, the music just now matched perfectly with Huanglong scenery. Look, this is a snake. It only grows in uprooted high-altitude forests. Its white beard presents proves the air here is exceptionally clean, and its rush growth also show the water is pollution-free. This proves Huanglong scenic area is very well protected. Huanglong has the world's largest travertine landscape. This pool helped purify water and took thousands of years to form. They are very fragile and easily damaged. Stepping or swimming in the pool is strictly prohibited. Huanglong means yellow dragon. It gets its name from the golden, winding travertine formations that stretch for kilometers down the valley. From above, they look like a giant golden dragon with colorful pools at its shining scales. The name captures both the stunning landscape and the cultural significance of the dragon in China. Let's enjoy them together in quiet appreciation. reach the foot of the mountain, the scenic area have environmental monitoring instruments, showing extremely high negative oxygen air levels and excellent air quality index. Now that we are at the entrance, we can see Huanglong from above on this big screen, and with the sign right here, we won't get lost. Okay, at last, welcome everybody to Huanglong to witness its magnificent beauty. Bye bye.